The Sunshine Coast is about to experience its biggest facelift in more than 3 decades.
The Sunshine Coast is having a boom of its own.
It's an Australian first, building a new CBD from
CBD in the heart of Maroochydore.
4 major projects will create a jobs bonanza.
2 university hospitals and an international airport are
creating 6,000 jobs.
Creating massive employment opportunities.
Established a push for light rail on the Sunshine Coast.
$347 million runway expansion. 1,000 people.
By 2030, our population is expected to swell.
We will have the most magnificent new city.
The Sunshine Coast shining into the future.
Change the face of our region forever.
It's fact. History is being made right now on the Sunshine Coast, and the savvy will invest and profit from it. In a few years, you will either wish you had or be glad you did. Not 1, but 4 unprecedented developments are underway on the Sunshine Coast, and you can be positioned in the middle of the action. Already in full swing is the largest health project in the Southern Hemisphere. The $5 billion Oceanside development incorporates the almost finished $2 billion University Hospital, the first new non-replacement hospital in Australia in 20 years, and the associated infrastructure, including a new town centre. Just up the road is Australia's only $4 billion greenfield CBD development, currently under construction, and the $500 million redevelopment of the Sunshine Coast Airport. This growth creates jobs, lots of them. It's no wonder why the coast is already boasting one of the highest job creation rates in the country. And this means increased demand for housing in the employment centres, which is already being seen through exceptionally low vacancy rates and rising prices. Bottinia Island is the last island community on the Sunshine Coast. Called Oceanside, at the heart is the new hospital, which is scheduled to be fully operational in 2017. This major training facility for medical and allied health services is adjacent to the future town centre, which will encompass new business, retail, and an entertainment precinct, giving life to an exciting and vibrant heart. Bottinia shares its alluring locale with a high-tech sports precinct, world-famous beaches, numerous public and private schools, and just 10 minutes to the University of the Sunshine Coast. It's no wonder why the best investment properties are going to be set in the middle of this exciting development. Introducing Aquarius at Oceanside. Set over Lake Kawana, providing water views from every apartment, Aquarius is designed to provide its residents the peace and accessibility of the Sunshine Coast lifestyle, while accessing all of the University Hospital and allied health facilities located less than 100 metres away. In addition, Aquarius exclusively offers the best yields of anything else in the area, with a performance undertaking from direct hotels and apartments, at 6% of the purchase price guaranteed for at least 2 years. With professional management, both owners and investors can have certainty in the quality and presentation of the property, maximising their returns on investment. Owners can live in their units or rent them permanently, or take up the offer of guaranteed above market rent. In addition to offering flexible living options and great amenity, such as a pool, Aquarius also offers quality fixtures, fittings, and funky finishes. It's one thing to find an investment that ticks most of the boxes, but it's legendary when you find one that ticks them all. What else incorporates an enviable lifestyle with enormous investment potential and low involvement, smack in the middle of an infrastructure bonanza? The capital growth and cash flow potential is overwhelming, but be quick. You'll either be the one saying, "If only I had," or "I'm so glad I did."